Track replacement questions. Long story short, neighbor moved into a house with an existing pool that had a lot of issues. The pool was dug and had the whole liner and track situation going on. The pool wasn't maintained correctly, etc. After they put in a new pump, poured a new concrete surround around the pool, now they want to replace the track. They replaced the liner 2 years ago, so it's in good shape. So this person is asking, are there options aside from replacing the track? Is it possible for them to drain the pool, pull out the liner altogether, and then A, put in a fiberglass shell, or B, shotcrete from a liner track situation?
Okay, so that's a far cry from repairing a track to replacing an entire pool. Yeah, anything is possible. Is it the right thing to do? I doubt it. If the liner's been replaced but the coping wasn't redone a few years ago, and you're having a problem, I'm assuming, with the liner falling out of the track, there's a couple options. You may have to replace the liner again, but even if you replace the liner again, it's going to be a far cry less expensive process than putting a fiberglass shell pool in there or shooting a gunite / shotcrete pool. What I would suggest to do, I mean, and being that liner, if it's in fact only 2 years old, this might be able to be done by simply pumping the pool down and being really careful about it and leaving the coping the way it is, but peel the liner back and putting a face mount coping butted up against the base of the existing coping and then rehooking the liner in. It may be too difficult to do in pieces, so it might make more sense to replace the liner as well, but still the liner is going to be a whole lot less expensive than putting a pool inside of the pool. So my idea would be to pull the liner out, put a new face mount coping now that the patio has been poured, face mount coping, something Cafco makes what's called a snap lock system, where you hang the liner and then you put a locking mechanism in and the liner won't come out anymore. And that to me would be the best way to do it.